Okay. It came. So we're gonna check it out. And find Waffles. Okay, so. This call is specifically tuned to imitate the adult crow by blowing through the tips of the call. Bite down lightly on the tips and blow to imitate the young crow, thus giving 2 calls in one. The adult crow and young crow can be imitated continuously on the same call without removing the call from the mouth. This is most effective. Sounds like it is harder than I thought it would be. Crow call provides the hunter with another call called the hawk call by blowing through the side of the tips sharply to give you a realistic sound of the hawk. This hawk call can be used to freeze a bunch of quail from running from dogs. What do you think, Waffles? Time to go and rage the neighbors. So I'm kind of too scared to go outside and do it because my neighbors are outside. So I'm just gonna stand out here at the screen door and do it from the door. So I did the call from my